Rennes demand at least £62 million for Manchester United target Eduardo Camavinga. According to Spanish publication MARCA, as related by the Daily Star, Manchester United will have to shell out at least £62 million for the signing of Rennes midfielder wonderkid Eduardo Camavinga. The 18-year-old midfielder came through the youth ranks at Rennes and made his breakthrough into the first team towards the end of 2018-2019 season. However, it was the 2019-2020 campaign when he established himself as one of the best young defensive midfielders across Europe, helping his team to a third-place finish in Ligue 1. Camavinga has continued from where he left off, impressing in his 10 appearances so far this season, in which he has 1 goal and 1 assist to his name. On the back of his performance, the 18-year-old also managed to break into the French national team and has 2 appearances for Les Bleus. Camavinga's rise in prominence hasn't gone unnoticed, with the host of clubs across Europe lining up to sign him. Real Madrid, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, as well as Manchester United have all been linked with move for the teenager, and in order to ward off an interest in their teenage wonderkid, Rennes have set an asking price of at least £62 million.